Belum. Ada. Kita aduh.
Mana tahu kule. So jadi tahu akaman tu kompetisi lah. So dari kepala aku. Chat tahu Christmas tiga puluh.
The only reason they don't dare to touch him is the two cats sitting next to him. They're in control.
The little cat hesitated, then softly touched noses with the curious dog. A moment of surprise turned into a gentle friendship.
Looks like the dog's fear comes from trying to approach before.
The tiny cat gazed up and at the mighty eagle, its fluffy tail twitching with curiosity.
When a falcon encounters a cat, it turns from a fierce predator into a chick. The little cat has more courage than all those dogs put together.
The fluffy cat playfully chases its friend, tail swishing, eyes sparkling with joy. A tiny cat meets a big bear curious eyes, soft paws, and a heart full of milk. The cat tiptoes closer, sniffing gently, while the bear watches with a calm, gentle gaze.
Lihat akur. Mau kucing gede nih akur nih. Set. Hantam lagi. Nah, buruk.
Cats' sharp claws and incredible courage make up for their small size.
The funniest moment is still ahead. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it.
curious cat gently taps the kangaroo rat, eyes wide with wonder. A tiny pause, then a playful chase begins. Soft paws, swift hops, and endless giggles.
Way to go, buddy. You did great, especially for a first try.
Рыжий. Еле, угомонись. Рыжий. Мамочки. В глаз попало. Еля, жуткий раз. Сюда.
The tiny cat gazed up at the mighty eagle, its eyes wide with wonder. Instead of fear, it let out a curious little meow, its tail flicking playfully.
Melanie,
Okay.
come here for a minute. Look at this.
Oh my God.
Is that crazy or what?
Where are the kids?
They're out back.
Tommy, are you kidding me?
Shh, you don't scare the cat away. They're still in bed. They're still in bed.
That is not funny. You about gave me a heart attack. You kidding?
Which moment did you like the most? Comment below so everyone can discover and enjoy it together.
The tiny cat stared up at the giant black bear, eyes wide with curiosity. Instead of fear, it stretched out a paw, gently tapping the bear's nose.
We may have domesticated them, but the hunting gene is still very much alive in these purring creatures. Place your bets. The fight starts in 3, 2, 1.
The little cat playfully chases the sly fox, its tiny paws bouncing with excitement. Such a brave and adorable hunter.
guess who won't be coming back for dinner anytime soon?
The two cats paw at each other, their tiny swipes more playful and fierce. A moment of fluff-filled chaos.
The cat definitely made the smart
just
choice
like
by befriending this raccoon.
Which moment did you like the most? Comment below so everyone can discover and enjoy it together.
I'm no expert in cat language, but that sure sounded like a warning.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to give me more motivation to create more adorable content. Which moment made you laugh the most? Comment below so we can laugh together again. And make sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss the next hilarious cat videos.